What if I told you that a cup of powder, just 2.2 pounds of it, dropped by a few drones, ended up causing enough rain to fill 30 Olympic sized swimming pools? Sounds unbelievable, but it actually happened in China, and the scientific world is buzzing. In the Xinjiang region, Chinese scientists pulled off one of the most eye opening weather modification experiments to date. A fleet of medium sized drones was sent 18,000 feet into the sky, carrying silver iodide packed into flame bars. Just a tiny amount, enough to fit in a travel mug, was released into the clouds, and what followed was nothing short of stunning. The result was over 18.5 million gallons of rainfall spreading across more than 3,000 square miles. Satellite images confirmed that the cloud tops cooled by up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit and rose nearly 2 miles higher after the seeding. Now, cloud seeding isn't exactly new, it's been around since the 1940s. The US explored it. It was even used in the Vietnam War, and China famously deployed it during the 2008 Olympics to prevent rain from spoiling the opening ceremony. But this latest operation was different. This time, there was real time precision, solid data, and the use of drones that made the entire process cheaper, safer, and highly efficient. Instead of relying on rockets or crewed aircraft, these drones allowed for year round, large scale coverage. The results were triple checked using different validation methods, raindrop sizes increased significantly, cloud formations expanded, and temperature shifts were recorded consistently. What makes this experiment groundbreaking is the comparison against 50 years of historical climate data. The simulation models predicted a 4.3% boost in rainfall, and the real world result showed a 4% increase. That level of accuracy makes this not just impressive but reliable. This breakthrough matters more than ever, especially for a region like Xinjiang. It's a place battling glacial retreat, creeping desertification, and long term water shortages. The success of this weather engineering technique could directly impact agriculture, human survival, and regional stability. At the same time, it opens up deeper conversations. This is not just about making rain, it's about whether we're entering a new era where humanity can bend nature to its will. It's about power, responsibility, and the thin line between innovation and interference. If this kind of science excites you, if you're curious about where it's all heading, then make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more cutting edge stories, and share this with someone who still thinks cloud seeding is just a conspiracy.